असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। युक्तियुक्तं प्रगृह्णात् बालादपि विचक्षणः रवेः अविषयं वस्तु किन्न दीपः प्रकाशयेत् किन्न दीपः प्रकाशयेत्। Sokoham. Any prayer is creating a context. Any prayer is creating a context so that the content of your life gets aligned to that context. This is a simple Vedic prayer which says, lead me from the unreal to the real, from darkness to light, from death to immortality. We all know what is death is, but many of us do not know there is a dimension in us which is deathless. Listen, there is a dimension in us it is deathless. That's why we all have a love to live a day more. Listen carefully, all of you. We have a love to live a day more. I want to live a day more. I want to live a day more. Means there is a love for immortality. Right? So if you understand this, there is a part in us, there is a dimension in us which is deathless. And unless you search for that, life will never be fulfillment. All of you listen. Many of us are very successful in life, but you need not be fulfilled in life. That's why success, you can be very successful, but you will not be fulfilled. Can you see the difference? You can get your goal, but something in you will haunt and taunt, because fulfillment is different from success. We need to get success, but also fulfillment. So there is a center in us which is deathless, and searching for that center, looking into that center is a very, very important dimension. And therefore, mrityoma amritam gamayaha. O Lord, lead me from death to deathlessness. So just listen carefully. Water is, table is, chair is, your radio is, your laptop is. Tell me any object exists without isness. Any object, be it a table, be it your laptop, be it your eyes, everything is. For example, this watch is. You break the watch. Powders are. Means nothing but is. You burn it. Ashes is. Or smoke is. So isness is not destroyed at all. Please understand, isness is not destroyed at all. You can break this watch. You can do, like take the cloth. Cloth is. Burn the cloth. Ashes is. Again do something, the ashes, something is. There is isness which is deathless. So to the body is. You burn the body. Ashes is. You do something is. Now to discover that isness is the spiritual call. That isness is deathless. Mrityoma amritam gamaya.